Problem 5 is an application. So what's going on? It says a company can save money by buying new equipment, but at the same time it'll have to spend money to maintain it. Okay, so the savings realized by the new equipment are so here's the savings. It's that linear function. It's positive, so it's rising and it crosses at 6. So that's the savings, right? It's going up. And the cost of maintaining, well, that's this linear function. Now it crosses at 0, and it also is increasing. All right, where T is the number of years since the purchase of the equipment, and S and T are in thousands of dollars. Now what we want to do is find the area between these two curves and interpret the result, and then it says find our answers to decimal places and integers. So where do you think these are going to intersect? So let's first of all do this. Let's find where these curves intersect. So we're going to have 3.1t plus 6 equals 4.1t. You know what? I'm going to subtract this. And I'm going to get 6 is equal to 4.1 minus 3.1 is just 1t. So that tells me t equals 6. All right, but what are we doing? We're starting here at, what did this say here? The number of years since purchase. All right, so we're going to go between t equals 0, right? That's the time of purchase, out to t equals 6. So here's our formula for the area between two curves, right? We're going between a and b of f of x minus g of x dx, where the f represents the upper curve, or the top of the rectangle. G is the lower curve, or the bottom of the rectangle. And the f is not necessarily, f or g are not necessarily s or c. We just have to determine which of these curves, s up here now, which one of these is upper and which one's lower. Well, I'm thinking of it this way. These are both linear, and they're both increasing curves, right? I can tell by the slope. But this one crosses up here at 6. This one is a plus 0. So this is going to be the upper curve. So I'm going to write the area now between these two curves as 0 to 6 of the upper curve, 3.1t plus 6, minus the lower curve, 4.1t dt. We can simplify a little bit here, right? From 0 to 6 of, now, 3.1t minus 4.1t is just negative 1t, or just negative t, plus 6 dt. We can evaluate this one. How about negative t squared over 2 plus 6t from 0 to 6? We'll do it up here now. Where's that upper limit? This is going to be negative 6 squared over 2 plus 6 times 6. There's the upper limit, minus the lower limit. But notice the lower limit is 0, and both these terms have t's in them. So they're both going to have zeros in them. So we just get a 0 out of here. So what do we get here? Negative 36 over 2 plus 36. How about negative 18 plus 36? I'm seeing that as just an 18.